Hello everyone, welcome to Shaker History classes. We are analyzing question by question UPSC prelims questions. I am going to deal with each and every question in detailed manner so that there will be scope for the discussion and you can use the content in further analysis. You will remember this particular question for very long time. As part of this series, we are starting with 2025. I will go one by one, like this is the 2025 question, first question. I will explain you in detail related to this particular question so that it will be easy for you to remember for a long time. Who among the following rulers in ancient India had assumed the titles Mattavilasa, Vichitrachitta and Gunabhara or Gunabhara? Mahendravarman I, Simhavishnu, Narasimhavarman I and Simhavarman. These are the names of Pallava rulers. Pallavas ruled present day Tamil Nadu region, Andhra region and Karnataka region also. If you see the map, this is the location where they were ruling. Before the rise of imperial Cholas, Pallavas were very powerful. Capital of Pallavas, Kanchipuram. Some other areas which are associated with Pallavas, Mahabalipuram. Now, when they were expanding to their neighboring countries or neighboring kingdoms, here Badami Chalukyas were there. There were frequent conflicts between Badami Chalukyas and Pallavas. One of the important Pallava rulers was Mahendravarman I. During his time period, Pallavas, in terms of art and architecture also, in terms of stability also increased. They had conflicts with Badami Chalukyas also. Time period is around 600 to 630 CE. This was the period. To remember, he was the contemporary of, if you see the Saudi Arabian history, this is the place where Islam is emerging. Prophet Muhammad was the founder of Islam. Time period of Prophet Muhammad is 570 CE to 632 CE. So around this time period, Prophet Muhammad was there. That's why identify this one, 570 to 632 CE, 600 to 630. To remember Mahendravarman I, you remember emergence of Islam. This was the place. This is the time period when Islam emerged. Around the time period, Mahendravarman was there. When Islam is emerging here, what are the religions here? By this time period, Vedic tradition or Vedic religion, also called Brahmanical religion. Another one, Buddhism. Another one, Jainism. Since Vedic time period, Sanskrit is going on. Now, by this 600, this is post-Gupta time period. By this time period, Sanskrit is very dominant language across India. Mahendravarman I was very much interested in art and culture. He himself was an author. He has written a Sanskrit drama on how various monks in the name of religion used to enjoy the pleasure life. Lavish life or pleasure life. That means drinking and enjoying pleasure life. That's why he called this particular quality Mattavilasa. Matta means monasteries, Vilasa. In monasteries, rather than thinking about religions, rather than thinking about a spiritual life, they are enjoying a pleasure life. It's a kind of satire on existing religious life. Mattavilasa. Then he is getting these kind of ideas because he is always curious minded. He always open for new ideas. That's why he also got the title Vichitrachitta. Vichitrachitta means curious minded. Next, Gunabhara means a person who is filled with good qualities or lot of qualities, Who is the person name? What is the Mahendravarman? Answer here is Mahendravarman. If you remember in this context, like who are the contemporaries, what are the religions of that time period? Approximately, if you remember the timeline, then you can connect the various dots and you will remember for a long time. All right. So who is here mentioned? He is Mahendravarman I. In this way, we are going to discuss various prelims questions in this manner. It's going to be very quick session only, around 5 to 6 minutes. But within that 5 to 6 minutes, it's not only answer you will get, but also a little story associated with that particular topic. All right. All the best. Thank you. We'll meet with the next question.